Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Football Manager on PC. To begin your managerial career, select a club that aligns with your personal goals, whether a top-tier team or a lower league challenge. Explore the game's comprehensive interface, paying attention to the navigation sidebar and information panels. Don't feel overwhelmed. Helpful tutorials are available. Remember, you can delegate many day-to-day tasks to your capable backroom staff, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture of your club. Effective squad management is crucial for success. Understand each player's strengths and preferred roles to create a cohesive team. Utilize your scouting network to uncover hidden gems and future stars, ensuring a pipeline of talent. When it comes to transfers, be a shrewd negotiator. Aim for fair contract terms and transfer fees, balancing your budget with the need to strengthen your team. A well-managed squad, with about 25 senior players, is key to navigating a long season. Your tactical approach is the heart of your team's performance. Experiment with different formations and team instructions to find what works best for your squad. On match day, pay close attention to how your team is performing. Make real-time adjustments to your tactics, like changing mentality or pressing intensity, to counter your opponent. Timely substitutions, perhaps bringing on an attacking midfielder, can often be the difference between a draw and a win, especially in the final 15 minutes. Beyond the pitch, long-term success involves developing your club. Prioritize your youth academy and training facilities. A strong youth intake can provide future first-team players. Maintain sound financial management, keeping an eye on your wage budget and transfer funds. Building positive relationships with your board, players, and the media is also vital. Happy players perform better, and a supportive board provides stability. Aim to achieve your board's objectives, typically over a 3 to 5 year plan, to secure your legacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.